Hello guys, good morning. Today in this lecture, I am going to show you how to install Kali Linux in an easy way on Evangi platform. So first, you have to download the image of Kali. Just type Kali in the Google, and you will get the first link of the official site to download the image. Just click on it. You will get two options. The first one is download, on which you have to click on. Click on it, then you will get the two options like installer images and virtual images. So we are going to install in virtual environment, so you have to click on the virtual machines. Okay, just click on it, then you'll get some multiple options like the Kali Linux for the VMware, virtual machine, Hyper-V, and Qemu. Qemu is the image for suitable, uh, which is suitable for the EVNG platform. Just click on it, then you will get start the downloading your image here. So I have already downloaded that image. Okay, in the let me stop it because I have already have installed downloaded it. It is going to okay, cancel it. Here I have already downloaded that image. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to log in to the Evangi. I have logged in. I have logged in GUI, but you have to log in via WinSCP. WinSCP is the software tool which is used to transfer the file to the it's work as a SFTP like. Okay, 192 168 1.18 is my Evangi IP. I am using root to log in this FAI. Okay, here uh, you have to go into the OPT KMU no, unit lab, then go to add-ons, then KMU. See here I have already installed some other platforms. Now I have to transfer that file into the Evangi. Now I have to create the folder first. Putty. Let me do it from CLI 192 168 1.18 is my Evangi IP. Just for your information. Username is root, password, whatever you have set it here. See here I have to create the folder in that path I have gone in the chemo. Let me show you. I have to go into the OPT directory, then unit lab, add-ons, and chemo. I am going to just copy paste this path in the CLI. Okay. Let me do ls, which is used to see the files or folders, whatever in this directory. Okay. I have these four images, but I am going to create a new folder mkdir says linux dash. Uh, just to inform you, whenever you creating any folder for any Linux or checkpoint, suppose Palo Alto, just to remember, especially uh, we are going to install Linux. So just to remember, first you have to type the Linux for that folder, Linux dash. Then whatever you name you can give, but this is the standard. First you have to type the Linux dash. This is mandatory. Otherwise, your Evangi do not recognize that image in the nodes when you are trying to add. Okay, Linux and Kali for your information. Type ls. Then you can see here Linux Kali is the folder I have created. Okay, let me refresh it. See, now you can see Linux Kali is the folder which is you can see here already created. Now what you have to do, you have to write. This is the uh, compressed file. Okay, you have to right click on it and you have to unzip here, extract here. I am going to extract here. It will take some few seconds only. It will not take some more time. Okay, now what you have to do, here you can see one of the file which is extracted with the extension qcow2. Okay, this file here, this file we have to transfer to the evng. Then go to uh, here desktop, my documents, downloads. Yeah, here this is the file I have downloaded. I have downloaded this file in a .7z format. Now I have extracted it, and when I have extracted it, it is in QCOW format. I am going to just drag and drop into this folder, Linux Kali. Okay, it will take some few minutes, like 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm pausing my video so that uh, we will save some time. Okay. Now we can see the file has been transferred. Now we have to rename it. Okay, ls. First go to this folder ls. By ls you can list the folders and files. Now mb command is used to rename the file or folder. Here I have pasted the name. Then we have to rename it to vertiva dot qcow.2. Otherwise, my evng will not recognize this uh, image, and we cannot add in the node in the lab environment. Okay. The next step, we have to fix the permissions. Okay. The command is used. This command is used for the given the permission to this particular image. I'm going to just copy and paste in the CLI of my evng. It's about to done. Yeah. Now we have to go in the uh, GUI of my evng. This is my lab I have created in new lab. We have to go in nodes and Linux. I have Linux here. Yeah. Now we can see two Linux flavors are here because I have already installed Slacks. Now I have installed Kali. Click on it, and we can increase RAM size to avoid any slowness or something. Okay. VNC we can use for the GUI environment. Click on it. We can use talent as well, but here I'm going to use VNC. Now I'm going to connect it to my management network here. Okay. It's connected. Now I'm going to start my Linux. Okay. Uh, Now we can open in VNC. Okay. We can see the Linux have been started. Okay. It takes few minutes. Yeah. The default password should be root. It's not working. Uh, Default password. Let me check what is the default password. I exactly not remembered, but ideally it is root. But let me check it again. Let me try Kali. Username Kali and password Kali. Yes, it's accepted. The default password is Kali. Username and password both are Kali. Let it started. Yeah, and I can see. Let me log in the CLI. This is the terminal of Kali. So if config, it will show the IP. Yeah, 192.168.1.19 because I am using DHCP in my lab, so it has taken the default password. Now the are the purpose to install Kali in my lab or environment. We will do some labs in my some in next lectures. I will do some labs for the nmap. So let me check if ideally some of the tools for pen testing already inbuilt in the Kali Linux. Let me check if nmap is available or not. Yeah, it is available. Let me check the version. What is the installed version command? I believe. Yeah, we have nmap version 7.9.4. Okay. If nmap is not installed in your Linux, whatever the version distribution like Kali, Unix, sorry, Ubuntu and all, so you can install. Let me sudo, sudo apt apt sudo update. I think it will work. Apt get update. I believe sudo apt update. Yeah, sudo apt update command is used to update the files if there is any changes in the files or something, it will get installed. Okay, first let it complete. Yeah, it's have been completed. Whatever the files those are required to update, it's get updated. Let me install sudo apt install nmap. This command I think used to install. Yeah, yeah. I have run sudo apt install nmap command, but what the message is showing, nmap is already the newest version. It means we have already nmap installed in our machine. That is the purpose. That's it in my lab for the today. In the next lecture, I will show you the nmap, mm, how we can use nmap to scan the network for the IP scanning, port scanning, because nmap is widely used in the pen testing environment. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my video. Bye, take care.